Want to learn Python, but think coding is scary? Don't worry, we're breaking it down into bite-sized pieces that actually make sense. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics and have practice questions to test yourself. Python is a programming language that reads like English. It's perfect for beginners because the syntax is simple and forgiving. Whether you want to build apps, analyze data, or work with IIPython is your starting point. Major companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA use Python daily. That's why it's the #1 language for learning coding in 2024. Let's cover essentials, variables store information, data types include numbers and text, and functions are reusable blocks of code. Loops repeat actions, and if statements make decisions. Dictionaries and lists organize data. Think of variables as labeled boxes, functions as instruction manuals, and loops as repeat this task 10 times. Master these and you got the foundation. Here are 5 beginner challenges. Create a variable storing your age. Write a function that adds 2 numbers. Loop through a list of 5 fruits. Use an if statement to check if a number is positive. And build a simple dictionary with 3 favorite things. Try solving these without looking at answers. First mistakes teach faster than watching alone. Download our free Python practice guide link below with 20 more challenges plus solutions. Join our Discord community where beginners help beginners. Heal beginners help beginners. What code every single day? Even 15 minutes beats occasional long sessions. Start with simple scripts, gradually build complexity. Within weeks, you'll surprise yourself with what you've created. Hit subscribe to see more A in Python tutorials. Smash that like button and comment which project you'll build first. Let's learn together.